thinker sees his actions as experiments and his questions as attempts to find something out. Success and failure for him are primarily answers. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions shattered. It's an experience. Now you know the right way and the wrong way. You're walking toward your goal. Remember, not all at once. You have your way, I have my way. As for the right way and the only way, there is no such thing. Never before has any religion, either directly or indirectly, dogmatically or allegorically, contained truth. For every religion was born out of fear and want, and invaded life through the delusions of reason. Life is a spring of joy, but wherever the rabble drink, all springs are poisoned. The same thing happens to man as to a tree. The more he strives upward, toward the light, the deeper his roots sink into the earth, downward, into darkness and depth, toward evil. A real man wants two things, danger and play. For this reason he wants a woman as his most dangerous toy. Thought of suicide is a great comfort. With it you can survive many dark nights. People's most erroneous deductions are as follows: the thing exists, therefore it has a right to it. Man is the rope stretched between the animal and the superhuman. It is the rope over the abyss, preventing suicide. There is a right by which we can take a man's life, but there is no right by which we can take his death. It is only cruelty. The advantage of a bad memory is that the same good things can be enjoyed several times for the first time. People who are distrustful of themselves are more willing to be loved than to love, so that they may once, if only for a moment, be able to believe in themselves. Already the word Christianity is a misunderstanding. There was essentially only one Christian, and he died on the cross. He who fights with monsters should be careful not to become a monster himself. And if you look long into the abyss is also looking into you.